Alright guys, so as y'all seen yesterday, we took a 6-hour drive there and back. So 12 hours in total. It was to Alabama. We're from Florida. I mean, that was pretty far. To get a lift kit for Peyton's white single cab that y'all seen that he picked up. It's a ridiculous lift and Peyton's going ridiculously tall with it. It's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be wicked. I'm right now just gonna button up a few things on it. I'm not gonna show y'all too much till Peyton gets here, but I gotta do cross member bolts. Bam, down there, there's 4 of them. Put the uppers on. Look at these beautiful coilovers. I ain't gonna show y'all too much down there. But coilover says something right there. Ooh, too much. But I'm gonna get it buttoned up before Peyton gets back home from work. And hopefully he is driving this thing tonight. It's gonna be sweet. All right, P-Bop, what did we do?
You gotta move the camera this way, cause that motherfucker.
What did we do? What? I told him that we put it on. I already showed him the lift.
I can almost, I don't know, bro. Oh, get out of the way. This is what I fucking did, Jet.
Dude, the emblem is over your head, bro.
Don't forget, I'm like 6'2".
No, he's like 5'4". Dude.
This shit's fucking big, buddy.
This is Rambo's fucked up cousin. His name's
Keep rolling Jenkins, Jet.
But me and Peyton finished it up while camera was off. Y'all know I tightened up all the cross member bolts. I put this side on. Me and Peyton put the other side on when he got back from work.
Look at that alignment, Jet. Look at my alignment. No way I need 3-inch spacers, bro.
Brother.
What the fuck?
Brother. Alright. You're struggling. Alright, tell him what it is, P.
What?
Tell him what it is.
What do you mean what it is?
This is the end of it.
Oh.
We're finished.
Well, we gotta tell them what we did to this dang thing.
I already did. I already told him what we did last. Oh, she all up in the shot. What we do, P?
Went and bought a 10-12.
We went all the way to where?
Alabama.
The only Buc-ee's in Alabama, to be exact.
No, there's one north.
Never mind.
Maybe there's 3. I don't fucking know. We were
probably the only Florida boys there.
Oh, it's right at the border. Anyways, 10 to 12. A ball joint spacer that's longer than my fucking schlong. We got
you can't say
the reservoirs. I can say whatever I want on YouTube, Jet. 2-inch spacers, but obviously they're too small, so I need 3. Little do everyone know, it touches. So, like I said, the next clip after this will be it driving on the road tomorrow. But just don't regard that this is hitting.
Touching. This thing isn't meant to be jumped.
And it's not meant to be
straight
driven.
line. This is a straight line goer.
This is a trailer.
Turn around, come back.
Motherfucker. Anyways. We also don't have a sway bar. Don't have kicker bars. This thing is huge. My hat.
Dude, I totally forgot. No sway bar. That's gonna be sketchy.
No, it's not. I don't have a freaking transmission wire, so I can only go, what, 15 mile an hour? Not even?
Bro. The brake line
if they do
isn't gonna even work.
I'll show them how to.
Oh my god. Guys, that's not what to do.
There we go. Now it.
That's not what to do.
It still fits, and now it works. We're gonna put the brakes on. Somehow get that tie rod in that tie rod hole. Probably gonna take the other spacers we have and
double them?
Yep.
God.
And
oh, we do have 1.25 inch.
And we gotta go find another bolt.
So this wheel's gotta come back off.
Both wheels.
Why?
No.
Brakes, you're right.
What is this, brother? And I forgot to mention
ABS wire adapters.
we ain't gonna have no
ABS.
Who needs to stop in this thing anyways?
Alright.
You didn't show them the view in the first. Holy
well, we at you the whole time. That's a pretty good view.
This is worse than Ultra, bro. Dude.
I got you, but hold up. I got you.
Now go down. Yep. You ain't even there. Hold up. Up. This is my view, right? I'm looking just straight at the Fuster.
You're gonna need your butt pillow. My fault, bro. You act like you didn't daily drive.
And you're gonna sit right here.
Just like this, bro. Look at that. Kick back in this thing.
What you looking at?
Dog.
Straight ceiling. That's what I'm kind of looking at too, but.
Dude, I can't wait for this thing to be done. Door, full center console. It's gonna look decent.
Guess what meat this coming to?
What?
Kingston meat, Jet.
Yo.
I'm not in it.
You're lying. You better not hurt your boyfriend's feelings.
I ain't shit, Jet.
Alright.
Send me your Addy. I'm gonna head out there in a little while here. I'm just pulling up to the gas station right now.
I guess he's just pulling up to the gas station. Clean the camera, bro. Shit.
Again, brother?
Yeah, bro.
Don't look good now.
It's still foggy-ish, but...
Wait, actually. Now you look so beautiful. Let's go.
Dude, look at this thing, man.
It's actually standing from it.
Dude, this one's actually taller than me. Rainbow wasn't.
Maybe it's slightly taller than you.
This is insane, bro.
Look who showed up!
30 hands, what?
I had no money.
I'm broke too, I'm behind.
Don't even look at him. We fixed it. Nope. Still lighting up. Doesn't want to do it. We fixed it. Got the alignment. For hand alignment. Pretty spot on, brother.
No lasers here, buddy.
Oh, hold on.
Buddy did it here. He's really good. 4 eyes.
4.
Look at my alignment rack. That was a good one, Marcus.
Oh my goodness. Clean that, boy.
Hey.
Boy. Got tinfoil at the top. Bro, it looks so dark on camera.
What we need to do? Rock
You know
lights.
what's crazy too?
Spray paint.
You know what's crazy too? The camber bolts are not tightened down.
What?
There you are.
This side ain't. This side was half-assed done. This has got some work to be done.
Alright, tie rod, alignment, bolt. 3.
Hold up.
Yep, they're right there. 3, 2, 1. Well, what? Who are you? Palmer. It is the next night.
The next day.
Yep, the next night, like I just said. Everything's done. Changed the wheels because I just sold them. Got the money in my pocket. Put a change. Where'd it go? Took out the helper spring. Lower in the rear. This thing's still stupid
Massive.
big without big old 37.
We got rid of all the pink.
This is
no more pink.
Yep, but this is still my view.
Insane.
Alright, now everything is not done actually. You just lied to them.
My bad. Bleed the brakes.
And then we're done.
Last thing.
Then we're done.
But that's small.
Takes 30 seconds.
Quick work. But you need to pop the hood, so get to it.
Take the phone, cameraman! Alright, so, you can't see a damn thing out of this motherfucker. So, show them how you be seeing, John, and I'll show them how I be seeing.
You gotta pretty much just stand up.
I can do that, but we don't really
Go fast.
go nowhere.
But that's the view from the inside. Now we're on normal car level. Hey, it's a good running
Look at the high
truck.
beam. No headlights either. But the headlights are on.
Oh my god, it's dark.
High beams work, John, in the sky.
Maybe a camera up front too.
Nah, this is one heck
Look,
of a trip.
literally putting y'all in the bushes over here. Insane.
But, so what all do we need? To be honest,
If y'all were on the roof of the truck, y'all'd be leaning like this.
perfect.
It's insane.
The only thing this truck really needs now is doors, tailgate, bumper, headlights, oil change, interior, and it's done. Mechanically, it somewhat works. It shifted from first to second, but it took a while to jump it from first to second. I was stuck at 3,500 RPM. So.
Transmission might be no good.
Well, it's not like we're gonna be driving this.
Nah, it don't matter. Just to sit on the trailer, the rig.
Bro, I can't even fucking see it. Oh, there we go. It's got better lights than my freaking.
There's some headlight.
That's not even headlights. This is headlights, right?
There's your headlights.
Oh, industry. And to think that we still have half a tank of gas.
There's Poncho. Oh, Poncho!
Where do we park it this time?
Right up front.
Same spot.
So it's done.
What you mean it's done? Yep.
It's done. The lift's done. And then he wonders why the transmission's bad. Dude, so this thing is too dropped in the rear. So.
Alright.
Sick nasty.
Poncho! This is if anybody wants to come and take it, the key stays in it. But you really won't get far. Because you can't see out of the fucking thing. But, Poncho, have a good night.
What do with it?
You point at yourself. Actually, nah, you look good now. What do we do?
Bro, at 10 to 12
On what?
on the slab.
The world's first.
Bro. It doesn't look that fucking ridiculous on camera, but in person, bro, this thing is freaking ridiculous.
We'll get a height comparison.
That's all you.
5'8".
That's on stock. Yesterday on 7s, it was bigger than wherever Jonathan is. And that was without a
As big as Rambo
leaf. That's how big my old truck was. But camera's about to die. What do you have to tell them?
for a slab on a cog.
Subscribe, comment.
Turn on post notifications.
That is a good one.